Hey, so I think this is episode 4 of Dishing School Vlogs.
Yikes.
Today is actually warranted.
Yikes.
And
since when? How long since the first one?
I think it's all been in a span of like a week or two. Today is senior dish day. The day is
So we're allowed
21st
to dish today.
on 9:01 a.m. We have these Lay's Wavy multi-grain crackers. And these are leftovers.
I
knew it.
Candy, pretzels, and pizza. We're here.
Brunch.
You're too sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants your dance. Got our drinks. I got a grapefruit tea. Katie got a Vietnamese coffee.
I got a sea salt coffee. It's all sad.
Now we're on our way to brunch.
This is like a sweet and then a savory and then we share. Okay.
Our food came. Food was so good. Oh my gosh. So good.
Wait, and now they're at brunch.
Ooh, where are they? We have to take a walk right now because we big backed a little too hard.
I'm not even full. I can't even lie.
Wait, it's okay. There's so many like small.
I feel like I ate so much. I don't know what you're talking about.
But I know I was a bit of a fatty.
I couldn't stop eating. But I think we're young for once in our life.
But yeah, so basically the stomach.
I bake back daily, so right now I'm not very full.
See you at Davenport.
What if there's another clip? Then it's like see
Awkward. We're in urban. Wait, look at Izzy's shirt. It's actually a bandana.
I'm gonna flash someone.
Guys, I got these nose patches from Target.
Oh my god, I
and
got
they're
the cheap
so
ones.
nice.
They're so good.
Wait, it peels out so much gum.
Yeah.
What are you getting? $40. It's so cute
Wait,
though.
Miranda, what did you just get? Me and Smith are gonna have matching wardrobes at this point, even though we're in Zoom. We're basic.
Wait, that's so fucking.
Wait, you
Wait.
might have.
Wait, let me.
Back in the car. Right now we're headed to Shark Fin Cove. 16 minutes. I've arrived. Sorry.
Katie is changing.
Katie's changing. Look at our suitcase.
Amazing.
But the Shark Fin Cove is right over there. But they're all gonna get. I'm sure they are. Each access. Oh, it's fine. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Wow, I had to cross by it. Taking it down. Look at everyone.
It's so beautiful.
Come on, guys! Suck it up!
Yay! John is coming! Oh my gosh. It's actually so beautiful. Yay! Wait, we got totally throttled by some waves and now our shorts are totally wet. But
What's beyond that line?
do you think they have matcha? I don't think so.
Going to 11th Hour Cafe to get matcha.
My butt is still wet.
Oh, butt reveal.
Oh, my butt. You can see it. Oh wait, this all looks like the other one.
Ooh. I think I'm just gonna get a normal matcha latte. Butter matcha. Our for matcha. I know. And Zoe's here. Allison, Irene, Allison part 2. I was like, am I tripping? I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like, I'm gonna drive you. And these flaws are the stories that I can't explain. We made it to Capitola! Oh my gosh. Look at the view. More seagulls!
I would
Show the country that you from. It's where the world should want to be. Find something our people need. I'm faithless now.
lemon and raspberry sorbet.
This sorbet was good. It was very thick and fluffy. What do you guys think?
The texture was like immaculate.
Yeah.
It was immaculate. Potato here.
Yummy.
Katie, what do you think? First time in Capitola.
Wait, we should like, it's like a lot of people are living here.
We walked through here. Chips in hand. Found our new spot at the beach.
Oh, this is my
We're just chilling on the beach right now. I think we have around 2 hours or 1.5 to 2 hours until our parking expires, and we'll be headed over to Santa Cruz. But yeah, here's the vibe. Is this the life, guys?
Then a little word.
Okay.
Oh my god, how did she do that?
It's getting really cold, so I'm wrapped up in my blanket. But we're cleaning up the other blanket right now. And we're going to leave Capitola right now to meet up with everyone at Seabright for the bonfire. Yay! Hey everyone, we are at Santa Cruz Boardwalk. So we were at Seabright, but then no one was there yet. So now we're here. Look, it's right there. Yeah, this is the beach. Oh my gosh.
What'd you get? No, we just did it.
Okay, vlog, we made it. We parked our butts right in front of the fire pit. Like, it's right there. Literally just got our whole feet wet again. The fire started.
Hello? Julia Payne? Marshmallow.
Hi!
I'm a girl.
Yeah, that was the most crazy thing I've ever done in my life.
Wait, my digi is about to like literally die, so we're here at the bonfire. You're so right. Music back on. I literally of the fire. Keep the captions. I'm so sorry.
Oh, us too?
We just finished beach day. Yeah, and we made it to. And now we're at Spargo's. I'm tired.
I'm sorry.
It's been a really long day, but we got the queso. So good. So good.
Shout out life.
Shout out God. At the last stop of the day.
Here are my sister's drink and my drink. I'm so excited to drink.
Uh-oh. What should I do?
Did they not? They're being small back alert. Small back alert.
Yeah, I got enough for two, bro.
Good night.